Sobo la viu yoa udokwa. Papa sobo la viu yoa udokwa. So jeme la viu yoa udokwa. Sobo la viu yoa udokwa. Papa sobo la viu yoa udokwa. So jeme la viu yoa udokwa. Sobo la viu yoa udokwa. Papa sobo la viu yoa udokwa. So jeme la viu yoa udokwa.
I like telling stories. I like listening to them. I find that there's so much to learn as you hear the words come to life as images dancing wildly in your head. But what I don't like is when stories aren't told the right way, or if portions are chopped out like sound bites on political campaigns. See, some stories are lies. Webs of false gospels woven by false prophets to get the people to believe you. They believe you. Every elongated vowel, every turn of phrase, every pause for emphasis, metaphor, and overused cliche, your lies last them days. As they drink your verbs, consume your slander, and bathe in your politic until your rhetoric becomes truth. But the truth is not that Haiti was that country where black people never got their shit together. It was not that country in South America that warrants your guilty church donations that ever make it out of the parish. It is not that country of spooky voodoos and crazies and zombies pushing daisies. It is not that country that warrants your misguided curiosity. You, false prophets, profit off the capitalism of Haiti's jewels lining your pockets and dead white men in your wallets. You, false prophets, are a paradox. You preach plagues as you sing symphonies, promote peace while you deliver catastrophe. You say you give aid and democracy, but strip black nations of its sovereignty. You, false prophets, are the reason why it is so damn hard to be black in America. But to carry Haiti's story is no simple task, but a privilege I willingly accept. See, things are changing. Haiti is alive, and it's fighting to reconnect with that broken history we left in 1804. It's fighting because life is not without flaw, and we resist and restore to overcome the trauma you've left us.